Coco, the cat, walks along the riverside on a sunny morning. The water goes splash, splash against the stones. Coco loves quiet mornings. Under a willow tree, Coco finds something strange. A wooden box with colorful shapes on top. Circle, square, triangle, star. Coco tries to open the box. She pushes the circle, nothing. She pushes the square, nothing. This is a puzzle. Coco tries again. Push, push. The shapes do not move. She feels frustrated. Her tail flicks back and forth. Finn the fox comes padding over. "What do you have, Coco?" Finn sniffs the box. It smells like old wood and secrets. Finn pushes all the shapes at once. Push, push, push! The box does not open. "Maybe we should think first," says Coco. Coco looks closely at the box. She notices tiny arrows next to each shape. The arrows point in different directions. "Each shape must go a different way," Coco whispers. She pushes the circle up. She slides the square left. She turns the triangle. Finn watches Coco work slowly and carefully. "You are so smart, Coco. You looked at every little clue." Coco slides the star down. Click! The box makes a happy sound. Coco's green eyes sparkle. She is so close. One more shape, the heart. Coco takes a deep breath. She turns the heart gently to the right. Pop! The box opens. Inside the box is a handful of tiny golden seeds. They sparkle in the sunlight. Finn gasps. "What are they for?" Coco and Finn carry the seeds to a hilltop garden. They plant them together in a circle. Pat, pat, pat goes the soil. Coco and Finn water the seeds every day. Tiny green sprouts push up through the soil. 1, 2, 3, 4 sprouts. The sprouts grow into beautiful golden flowers that shine like the sun. Coco solved the puzzle by looking carefully and thinking. Being wise means paying attention. Coco and Finn sit among the golden flowers. The petals rustle softly in the wind. Coco learned to look closely at everything. What puzzle can you solve by looking carefully?